Now, with load shedding almost a thing of the past, Eskom in the Gauteng province has urged its customers to use electricity sparingly to avoid rolling blackouts. Now, this comes as load reduction measures are being implemented in some parts of the province due to excessive power demand that is overloading substations. The power utility claims that if customers do not misuse electricity, they may be exempt from power cuts.
Sekunxuswa umphakathi ukuba usebenzise ugesi ngokucophelela ukunqanda ukugcinyelwa. Lokhu kushiwo inkampani yephehla iphinde iphakele ngogesi kuleli u-Eskom esifundazweni sase-Gauteng njengoba kuqhubeka ugqamcishi ezindaweni ezidla kakhulu ugesi.
So load reduction is something that we've implemented across Gauteng, but not only just in Gauteng, but across all the provinces where Eskom is supplying electricity. We implemented in areas where there are high energy losses and there is a risk of our transformers exploding. So in order to prevent the infrastructure from exploding, what we do is that we switch it off at certain times so that it does not explode and affect the communities that are close by. So it's mainly to protect the infrastructure and also to protect the communities that are in that environment.
Kusenjalo Eskom uthi kuyenzeka ukuthi izindawo zikhishwe kugqamcishi uma ke usebenzisa kahle ugesi.
What's also very important is for us to say to customers that they are in a position to remove themselves from load reduction. I mean, Diepkloof Zone 3 is one of the areas where they used to be part of load reduction. There were a lot of engagements that we had with the community to make them understand what are the things that they need to do in order for them to be removed from load reduction. And they implemented those things and they were excluded. Roodeplaat was one of the areas where there was load reduction, and Glen Austin in Midrand, it was also part of load reduction.
Ugqamcishi uza nje namhlanje anyukile amanani ogesi njengeminyaka yonke nokushiya abantu bakuleli besindelwa emaphaketheni. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikunokulunga Mthembu ngise Midrand.